Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of the Rabbit Build. Today we're going to be pulling the fenders off of the car. I got 3 layers on there of the scraps. One last layer that's not in patches. Alright, now that I've got all those little pinholes filled, I'm pretty much ready for carbon fiber. I'm going to give it one last couple of sands over just to make sure it's 100% smooth. It really isn't 100% perfect, but I'm so tired of sanding. If you weren't going for the carbon fiber exterior look like I am, then at this point you could just put your paint on and it would be ready to go. But I got a little bit more work to do, so let's get at it. So I let this fender sit overnight, and now I'm gonna come back and hit it with several coats and get the rest of them. But I'm gonna wrap up this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, EuroKevin. Big shout out to Boosted Birdo for helping me out. He's on Instagram too. Next week, I'm going to have all of the fenders wrapped in carbon fiber, and then I'm going to be sanding them down to get them smooth. Hit it with a 2K clear coat to get a super gloss coat on it, and then they should be ready to pop rivet onto the car itself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.